Imagine if the way you felt in your 40s or 50s could predict your risk of dementia decades later. It sounds like science fiction, but a groundbreaking study from University College London, UCL, suggests this might be closer to reality than we think. Researchers have pinpointed 6 specific symptoms of depression in middle age that could act as early warning signs for dementia. This isn't just about feeling down. It's about identifying subtle patterns that might signal trouble ahead. But here's where it gets controversial. Not all depression symptoms are created equal. Some, like sleep problems or suicidal thoughts, seem to have no long-term link to dementia, while others, such as losing confidence or struggling to cope with problems, could increase your risk by up to 50%. The study, published in The Lancet Psychiatry, tracked nearly 6,000 individuals in the UK over 2 decades. What's fascinating is that only a handful of depressive symptoms, out of 30 analyzed, stood out as significant predictors. These included losing confidence, difficulty coping with problems, feeling detached from others, constant nervousness, trouble concentrating, and dissatisfaction with task completion. And this is the part most people miss. It's not depression as a whole that matters, but these specific symptoms, according to epidemiological psychologist Philip Frank. He explains, everyday symptoms that many people experience in midlife appear to carry important information about long-term brain health. While the study doesn't prove cause and effect, it opens the door to early intervention. If we can identify these symptoms sooner, could we slow or even prevent dementia? It's a tantalizing possibility, but it's not without its challenges. The research was conducted primarily with relatively healthy UK civil servants, so its findings might not apply universally. More diverse studies are needed, especially as dementia becomes more prevalent in an aging global population. But here's the thought-provoking question. If these symptoms are indeed red flags, should we be screening for them more aggressively in middle age? Some might argue it's an invasion of privacy, while others see it as a lifeline. Epidemiologist Mika Kivimaki points out that depression is far from one-size-fits-all, and these nuanced patterns could lead to more personalized treatments. This brings us closer to more effective mental health care, she says. But what do you think? Are we overstepping? Or is this the future of preventive medicine? One thing's for sure. This study challenges us to rethink the connection between mental health and brain aging. It's a complex puzzle, but every piece we uncover could make a difference. So, the next time you or someone you know experiences these specific symptoms, remember, it might be more than just a phase. Could be a call to action.